While I was out looking at the bitter gourd, I found this. Look at that. This is a bitter gourd, and you can see it's fully yellow-orange. In fact, it's split open. Not sure was it done by Nathan, probably by an animal, maybe. But what you can see inside though are lots of seeds. So this I had actually left it out because I wanted to get this bitter gourd as a seed bearer. So let me just cut it down. And here we have. Look at all these seeds. So I'll probably keep these seeds and then I'll be using them to grow more bitter gourds. Here are the seeds after removing them from the, I guess, the bitter gourd shell, I guess. So yeah, it's quite slimy. See, it's quite slimy, bright red. It's soft, and there's a hard red core inside. So yeah.